3 Chinese taikonauts on Tuesday talked with Tanzanian students from space via video link. The event, themed Connecting Heaven and Earth, was organized by the Chinese Embassy in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. In the main session, Tiangun Question and Answer, the Tanzanian students were full of curiosity about the life and work of Chinese taikonauts in space and asked all kinds of questions. James Mudo, the Deputy Permanent Secretary of Tanzania's Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, said the government of Tanzania was reforming its school curriculum to emphasize the teaching of science.
Shughuli hii imekuja kwa wakati kwa sababu ni wakati ambapo tunajaribu sasa kuhamasisha vijana wetu waweze kukumbatia sayansi, teknolojia na ubunifu. Na swala wanaanga ni moja kati ya taaluma muhimu kwenye sayansi, teknolojia na ubunifu.
Chinese ambassador to Tanzania Chen Mingjian said space exploration has created opportunities for all human beings to work together, and she encouraged Tanzania students to work hard and pursue dreams.
Chinese scientists are willing to conduct the research on space travel and exploration in outer space, along with Tanzania scientists and other African scientists. After all, universe exploration invites the cooperation of all mankind and work together. So, I hope the students who are here and even all of Tanzania youth would love science, pursue dreams, and explore the unknown, and work harder for our future, the future of all human beings.